guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you're watching me from, guys. Welcome to Best Blessed Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very nutritious, delicious, fat burning drink. So I'm going to first of all go forward to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. You guys are wonderful. For my old ones, guys, you guys are amazing. For the commenters, God will bless you all. I feel fulfilled, okay, and I appreciate you very much. Today is a beautiful day, second day of the month March. So we're going to move in now to prepare our delicious fat burning drink. Okay, so come with me to my kitchen, but first of all I want to reach out to my old subscribers. Guys, you guys made my day. You guys are beautiful, you guys are wonderful, you guys are amazing people out there. God will bless you all in Jesus' name. Okay, so guys, we are going to make a delicious drink which is good for your metabolism, which is good for your stomach, burning your stubborn stomach fat. Okay, so you can get in your pen, your book, to write the things down, okay, because I won't be leaving the description in the description button below. Okay, let's move in and start our delicious fat burning drink. You're welcome to Best Blessed once again, and remain blessed wherever you are watching me from. Thank you for passing by my channel. God bless. This morning I want to introduce to you the fat burning drink that is very effective and nutritious as well. Okay, so we are going to introduce, so we are going to use a pinch of turmeric. We are going to use a slice of these ingredients together. So I'm going to give the lemon a cut. Okay, so we cut it into, I have already washed my lemon, it's clean. We cut it into 4 so that we can trace out the white line. We trace out the white line, but in a cutting. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have only the white. I have removed the white lines, and I'm going to blend it together with the back. I add it to my blender. Okay, it will help you. This drink is good to take 30 minutes before you go to bed. Okay, for me, so you can, this morning I'm going to use it. Okay, I will peel the back of ginger. Okay, and I will slice it. Okay, as you can see, slice it into cubes. So I'll add my turmeric. I'll add my cloves, and I'll add my pram. Is it pram? Yes, pram. Okay, so I will get in my water. So guys, get in your sieve and a plate, and you sieve it if you want. Okay, you can drink it actually like that, but I want to sieve my own. Okay guys, do you want to lose your stubborn belly fat? This is the remedy here. Do this like you will see the results in 1 month. Me, I don't believe in 6 days. In 1 month, if you do it every day, you will see that you have lost a lot of stubborn fat. Okay, my blender is not that sharp, so it didn't blend all of them very well. Okay, but it's still good for me. So this is the shaft. If you have a very nice blender, you can drink it all together. Okay, so guys, this is it right now. I'll add it into a cup. You can see. You see that? Guys, welcome back. Hey. Oh, did I say welcome back? How can I say welcome back? Okay guys, this is a drink right now. We are going to give it a try, and I will tell you guys how it is. Anyway, this is my second day of trying this, and I believe it will do a great job in my system. Okay, and you can actually divide it into 2 and take one in the night, take one in the morning. Okay, with the quantity of the recipe we use, you can make 1 glass of water. You can do it half glass. Okay, take one in the morning, take one in the night. Okay guys, this is the drink right now. You can divide it into 2. Take one in the morning, take one in the night. Okay, this is a very nutritious drink, and it's good for your metabolism. It's good for your digestive system. It's good in so many ways. You can also look it out for yourself. Okay, thank you guys for passing by my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please give me a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. My kids. Okay guys, this is it right now. Cheers to everyone. Come and join me. Don't forget to give it a try. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye bye. I will leave this in the night.